Welcome to the heel sling. We have two colors, black and nude. Inside of the box is an alcohol swab and a left and a right heel sling. With the alcohol swab, wipe on the back side of the shoe and let it dry for about a minute. This will remove any surface oils applied by the design manufacturer during the finishing process. Next, we simply remove the adhesive backing on the black or nude leather pad. Carefully hold the sling with one hand, and with the other, place your pointer finger at the top of the shoe heel box because you want the heel sling to be applied as high as possible and as flush to the shoe curvature. Press and hold, and then let this sit about 20 minutes to ensure that the heel sling is firmly adhered. This is an ideal time to finish getting dressed or to apply your makeup. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so now let's detach both ends of the Velcro and reattach closest to the very ends. Now remove the adhesive lining on the clear foot pad. Fully extend the strapping and apply the foot pad to the inside ball region of the shoe. You're ready to go out in your heels, confident and secure with the heel sling. We will make sure you are secure and ditch the bandage for good.